And then it's the computer and it has the missiles. Now let me open mine. That one's for you. Miles, that one's for you. Guys, help me play. I have a feeling that this one is going to be a really good one, so could I help you? No, I don't.
No, thank you.
Thank you. What is it?
Oh, you don't have that game. That's a good one.
Battleship.
Okay, you guys, what do you want to say to Aunt Heidi?